Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the Project Pan finale for 2023. This is how many products we used up, and let's just jump right in. I'm just going to be randomly pulling these. This is the Cherry Cherie liquid lipstick. Some of these products may not fully be used up, but in terms of Project Pan, they were used until they could be used no more or not safe to use. So this Profusion No Budge eyeshadow primer, we did do really good progress on it, but it is too old to use now. And there is a couple products, I used up the products that were in them that I wanted to, and then I passed the rest of those palettes along, or that I decluttered. Does that make sense? Like, kind of like this. Let's look at this, for example. The LaColors I Heart Makeup Contour Palette. I used up this. Okay, and I'm still working on the highlighter here, and I was working on this in the Project Pan. This I'm not going to try to use anymore, it's too much hard pan on there, but the rest of these powders are good, and I'm not going to use those. I'm going to declutter this after I use the two main ones I was working on. So in the Project Pan, I major pan on this and complete pan on that bronzer. Another example is the Ione Venus Perfect Brow Kit. And I used the highlighter and I used the shade that matched my hair the best. And then these two shades are too light and too dark and too red undertoned for me, so I'm going to pass the rest of this palette along. The Ione Volumizing Mascara, that was alright. Loved these, hate to see them go. It's the Hard Candy Marilyn Monroe Lash Primer and Volumizing Mascara. These were fantastic. I wish that they still sewed these two products because together they are fantastic. It's a Glitter Profusion eyeshadow. Really pretty, but I use this all I can use this. It is dried up now. The Hard Candy Chilling Wonder Powder, Sheer Envy Loose Hydrating Powder. All that is gone. The Rimmel Highlighter Conceal and Contour Palette. Used the lightest concealer for my brows, and then I tried to use these two, but I'm pretty sure they're just too old to use anymore. They were just clumping up and didn't perform like they should. So I did manage to almost use up one, but this was in the Project Pan and it is done now. I used up all of the Morphe and Jeffree Star. This is the Set and Refresh Mist and Strawberry. And this was great. I liked the scent. I like how it set my makeup. I like the mist of this product. It's very different than any of the other ones that I own, so I enjoyed that. And then two nail polishes that are being completely decluttered. Sally Hansen Big Matte Top Coat. There's just a little bit left in there. Really too far down to reach, so use this up and it's going out. And with the Revlon Quick Dry Base Coat, this took forever to dry and there is still a little left in there. I like nail products that dry quickly. I like to do layers, so I'll do growth serum, a strengthener or a hardener, and a base coat, and then color 2 to 3 coats of polish, then the top coat. So lots of layers. I want it to dry quickly. So this is just a product I don't love. So I tried to use it on Project Pan and I'm just decluttering it all together. So these are all the products that we used up or being decluttered from the Project Pan in 2023. I managed to use up 15 items, 2 of which were not shown. 15 products in total. I think I used 21 up last year, 2022. Still made some good progress. I'm going to be starting a new Project Pan soon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.